Hi guys, this is Emmy Butterfly, also known as Felicia. I'm doing a Plan With Me from the first week of October, the last day of September, in collaboration with Lisa Lynette. We're using Rosin Plan Sticker Kit. You can find her Etsy shop. I'll list it below. She has beautiful portrait stickers and it is just gorgeous. Just in time for the state fair. Y'all can go pick these stickers up at her store. You will not be disappointed. Okay, let's get started. I've already added my header or covered the diamond at the very top. Now I'm going to add the bottom portion or the footer, washi at the bottom, which is a West Texas style portrait. It's really pretty. Reminds me of West Texas. Lisa did have a question for me to answer about the fair. What is it that I like to eat when I'm at the fair? And I love to eat corn on the cob. Anybody knows me, I love corn on the cob like obsessively. It's one of my favorite foods. I apologize for everything being out of the frame, but you'll be able to see it pretty soon. But yeah, that is one of my favorite things to eat. And what I like to do at the fair goes hand in hand with what I like to eat. I love to eat at the fair. That is my number one thing I love to do at the fair, is to try the new exotic stuff they come up with. What about you? Comment below. This is what I would call my week at a glance. Just kind of adding a couple of things that I would like to see accomplished this week at a glance. Okay, this is me adding 1 to 2 items that are important, like must-do items that I want to get done this week. So I'll only add a few.
I'm a great wife, so
I'm adding this water thing in. I don't know why. I usually don't put anything there, but I eventually take it off in the end, so it won't be there. Okay, now I'm adding a weekly list. There is where I usually put rooms or things I want to focus on cleaning for the week. That way I get a lot of things done if I just focus on one room or one particular item per day after work. Okay, now I'm going to add my glitter headers to the top. Okay, now I'm adding my actual list. I love having lists. I think it makes me feel more accomplished by adding lists each day, things that I check off on my list. I feel like I've gotten things accomplished. As you can see, I'm trying to coordinate each list with each glitter header to kind of keep some kind of balance throughout this. Okay, now I'm adding what I call the pretty, this pretty blue bonnet picture in the corner, just to add a little cuteness. And I'm also adding another one opposite of it, like I said, just to add the pretty. Okay, now I'm adding my days of the week covers along with the dates. Okay, now I'm adding my glitter covers. I kind of did it out of order, but to me it's whatever. So I did my glitter covers on this side, trying to coordinate with the other side. But as you'll see in a few minutes, I actually put two blues side by side, but you know what? We're just gonna make it work. Okay, now I'm adding the Ferris wheel stickers. Again, adding some pretty, which I think this is gorgeous, y'all. I love this Ferris wheel. That's the thing that attracted me the most to this particular kit. Yes, gorgeous. Now I'm adding these boxes on top of the list. They're mostly things like kids games, things that I have to, well, not things I have to do, but places I have to go, or things I want to stand out and don't want to forget for that particular day, whether it be a game, whether it be a pickup time or early practice. I just want that stuff to kind of stand out. Hey guys, I want to add another list box, of course, because I love doing lists. Checking things off of my list makes me feel accomplished. I'm sorry. So I try to get one for each weekday. And then, of course, I'm going to add the pretty. Always trying to add pretty to my planner. So I can't wait. This coming up weekend, we're getting ready to go to the fair, me and my family. And I'm going to record and do a video on that because it's so much fun. If you haven't been to the State Fair of Texas in Dallas, you're gonna have to come out and check us out. It's always something fun. Okay, now I'm adding another box with my niece's game and my son's practice. I'm gonna go ahead and fill that in. Again, like the standout things from the list that I wanna remember. Okay, now I'm adding a bill due sticker, which I'm not going to fill in right now because y'all don't need to be all in my business. But I do pay my bills. And I'm sorry that I'm out of frame right here, but this is another sticker that I just have as a reminder of things that I'm doing that day. I think my husband is having a party that Sunday at our house, and I'm also adding my niece's game and my husband's game. My husband is a coach, so I want to put those two games on there as well. Here I have another standout box that I'm filling out with Ray Dunn. Yeah, that day I had to meet my Dunn buddy and pick up things and then send things as well through my Dunn buddy. Again, that's another Dunn buddy one. And I got these beautiful Ray Dunn stickers that I love. I'll list them down below where I got them from. They are so cute. Sorry guys, I was out of frame, but I'm adding like payday stuff to the top of Friday. Now I'm trying to figure out where I'm gonna put my inspirational quote on my left-hand side. I am so sorry. But I did end up finding one that I really liked, and it's really, really cute. and I feel inspired by it for this week. Still adding stuff to the top. And I apologize for being out of frame. I guess I realize it. Yep, I'm getting rid of that crazy hydration thing. I don't know why I put it there. And I'm adding another box. Like I said, for standout things that I want to remember. And I'm also adding to my list, my checklist, things that I know that I need to do on those particular days. Yeah. And sometimes they're not actually things, they're a goal. So I put different stuff in there. Y'all, I love doing Plan With Me's. If you do live in the Dallas-Fort Worth area and you do attend the fair, comment below on what your favorite foods are and what you like to do at the fair. Right now, I'm filling in my things to do for that week. My standout items for the week. Like a week at a glance is kind of what I call it. And working on my cleaning list, things that I want to clean. That's always fun. Right now I'm adding another Radon sticker along with my coffee because I try not to go to Starbucks every day, but Tuesdays is my Starbucks day, so I added a little coffee there. As you can see, I'm adding the money bag because the girl got to get the bag, okay? So I love Fridays. As I'm about to wrap up this video, you guys, I'm going to let you see everything. However, I probably am going to forget something, but if I don't, leave something in the description box, stickers or what have you, please let me know, and I will let you know where I purchased them from, and most of them are from Etsy stores, except for the inspirational sticker, which I got at Hobby Lobby at 40% off. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I will be making more Plan With Me videos. And you guys have a blessed day.